what's going on daily every game, bro? I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm tell y'all right now, you feel me? A nigga is tired. Like, I'm extremely tired, bro. I was out all yesterday recording videos and shit. I got a banger of a video supposed to be dropping on my main channel, bro. So I woke up this morning. I know I said it last video. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning this morning, bro. I ate some breakfast, I got ready for the day, and I edited some of the video. I edited I edited for like 3 hours full. Like, if y'all don't know, I used to edit on my phone, now I edit on my computer. So it's taking me a long time to edit now because I'm still learning where everything is and shit. It took me 3 hours and I'm still nowhere near done, you feel me? So it took me 3 hours, bro. So what? I went back to sleep at like 10 type shit. I took a little nap because I was tired as fuck editing. So from 7 to goddamn 10, you know what I'm saying? I'm up. So I went to sleep again, took a little nap, woke up, you know what I'm saying? I'm back outside. I'm about to try to film another banger type shit. I ain't even edited the last one. But today, I'm probably going to take it in a little early. Edit both of whatever videos I drop. Because I got to drop on my main channel, bro. My main channel needs some love. My goal is my goal. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all my goal. Because y'all daily gang. Y'all know shit like this. My goal is to drop 3 videos a day. 2, I know, right? 3 videos a day. 2 on the daily channel, 1 on the main channel. That's the goal, you know what I'm saying? Give me a little time and that shit gonna happen. Give me like 2-3 weeks, you feel me? For that schedule to go into full effect. Right now, I'm like, you know, like gradually getting into that schedule. But give me like 2 weeks, I'm in that motherfucker, no cap. You feel me? I need to wake up. Let me hit that motherfucker to wake up, you know what I'm saying? But gang, you feel me? We out there, motherfucker. I'm gonna let y'all know the moves a little later. I'm going to Lennox right now, Lennox Mall. Meeting up. Oh shit, I can't even fucking talk. Meeting up with some folks and shit. You know what I'm saying? So y'all folks stay tuned, man. Okay. Alright, man. As y'all can see, I'm in my fucking passenger seat because this maniac is in my car. Vontae did a prank on me. Yes, hold on. Let me put it right here. Vontae did a prank on me yesterday, guys, and I had to drive his car. You know what I'm saying? Because he pranked us, so I stole his car. So, I feel like it's only fair to let him drive my shit.
I want to see what he's hitting on, bro.
I drove his shit last night, you know what I'm saying? So, Vontae, if y'all don't know, Vontae's a crazy-ass driver. Vontae.
I'm not going to do nothing crazy in somebody else's car, bro.
Shit, man. Let's do it.
All right, man.
Let's do it, man. It's your first time
driving. You don't even use the manual, motherfucker.
What the fuck? You in manual?
You don't even use this motherfucker,
Man, hell no, I don't use that shit.
Bro, that's a lot of shit.
Just put that shit in manual, bro.
Boy, what the hell you doing, bro? This shit tough.
This shit tough, man. You like that little growl. You know
I got a little growl too.
That little purr.
You know what I'm saying?
That little purr. You feel me? This is the first time I drove in passenger in my car, bro.
You don't even know how to use the paddle shifters on this motherfucker.
Bro, I used them before, bro. I'm just not no speed demon, bro. So I ain't got no.
So you actually know how to use them?
So you put it in manual. When you go faster,
no, you
go
up. It's not in manual right now. You can just press one. Or you disabled them. Fuck.
I disabled them.
Yeah. This nigga disabled them.
Yeah, nah, cause I don't use them shit, bro.
What's down here?
Shit, that shit hard as fuck.
What down there? Oh, that's the journey.
That bitch hard. That colorway is tough.
I'm gonna go get that motherfucker.
Go get that motherfucker. That colorway, we just seen a 392.
Right.
Gray and black with black stripes, bro. That shit was so hard.
That shit tough.
That shit hard as fuck. That shit hard.
It definitely got like some growl to it though.
Yeah, got a little growl on it, bro. Facts. Imagine if I cut these motherfuckers. Cut the well, not even cover. Alright, let me know if I'm right, y'all, cause y'all know about cars. I can put like a performance and exhaust on these motherfuckers, right? And that'll like enhance the sound type shit, right?
Yeah. Type
shit. Cause I don't want to cut the mufflers, bro. I just want a little growl to the shit.
Low key, anything better than factory.
Type shit. What's them shits called?
Super 10s. Well, Super 10s, Super Master, Flow Masters,
Flow
whatever.
Master, Flow Master. So I might put some Flow Masters on these motherfuckers. But then again, I don't even plan on really having this car for the longest. Cause after the 6 months, if y'all don't know, bro, after the 6 months, I want a vet. No cap, that shit was trash as fuck.
What about the Scat?
Scat, that's what I'm saying. I get a Scat.
Yeah.
But if I get a Scat, bro, I keep a Scat like forever type shit. You feel me?
Why about the Scat, bro?
I keep a Scat forever.
Damn, nigga, I can't even fucking go.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
You got a little Hemi motherfucker.
That shit look like a V6 though. Yeah, YouTuber, I think. Yeah. Oh. What's poppin'? Hey, we about to come back around. This the parking deck right there.
Park next to the black SRT.
Alright, bet. Do a whole circle, fool. Like, go straight. And then you can circle the whole mall. You feel me? That's her, goddamn. Oh,
I'm gonna really make this bitch purr, bro.
Some pilot got in my goddamn eye. That bitch got a little sound to it, fool. That bitch got a little sound to it.
It been nah, I wish the fucking paddle shifters was on, bro. Cut them shits
Bro,
on,
hell
bro.
no, we not cutting them shits on. Hell no.
You're not using bitches.
Hell no. You doing too goddamn much. No paddle shifters. Straight. What is it called?
Straight.
Stock, my nigga.
This bitch in eco mode, bro. What the fuck you got going on, bro? You got me drive like a little bitch, bro.
That's how you supposed to drive this shit, bro.
Hell nah. Fuck
That's how
this.
you see Atlanta police, my nigga? That's why we drive this bitch in the way we drive this bitch. Cause Atlanta police is right there. APD don't fucking play.
Man,
APD
should I go
don't
this way?
fucking play. Hell no. Keep straight. Cause we gonna circle around the whole mall. Oh, what the fuck? Is that Durango?
Yeah, that's a Hemi motherfucker.
That bit hard though. That bit got blue stripes on it.
Yeah.
Bruh, Atlanta has the hardest cars. I'm gonna show y'all. As y'all can see, we got 392 right here. You know what I'm saying?
392.
392 scat in the back. You got a fucking Durango out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? What else we got
But
in this motherfucker?
that's an SRTG, boy.
That's an SRTG.
I need to be parked over here.
Nah.
What the fuck? Oh, not the Ferrari.
Ooh, I told you, Atlanta got the hardest cars, fool. And it's just
Is
on
that a Ferrari?
some slight shit.
Woo!
Some slight shit, bruh. Some slight shit, you know what I'm saying? Atlanta really, you know, G-Wagon on some cool shit. You feel me? Y'all didn't even see up in here. We got some shit up in here. I don't see nothing right now, but shit.
I
There's
know
shit up in
they
here.
go to 392?
That's 392 we seen?
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, y'all look at this 392, bro. This is the one we was talking about.
That bit cold,
hard.
bro.
That bit cold as fuck.
Left or right?
Left. That bit cold. I used to work over there, guys. You know what I'm saying? Shit's crazy. How you feeling, man?
Feeling good, man.
You like the car, bro?
It's alright, you know what I'm saying?
It's alright.
I haven't really got some pussy. Yep.
You said you ain't got some pussy. We gonna get some right now. Hold on, y'all niggas stop. How y'all doing? Y'all need directions? Y'all good? Alright, Pete this. You go this way right here, and that's a big ass mall. You know what I'm saying? And you gonna be solid. Y'all have a good day. For sure. You know what I'm saying?
Why you ain't get the number, bro?
Huh? Cause I ain't want the number, bro.
Oh yeah, you right.
We
you
pass
right,
on
you right.
freeze. Yeah! Turn me up! Hell no.
Man, this is a little bitch,
Hell
bro. Put this
nah.
shit in sport, nigga.
Bro, we not putting this bitch in sport, bro. I'm
See,
sorry.
look, your dumb ass will go down this bit hard as fuck. You gotta turn that motherfucker like that, bro. And then type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you a pussy. You a pussy. You a pussy.
This been talking to me, bro.
It's talking to you,
They
bro?
been talking to me, bro. I gotta get some exhaust done.
It's talking. Man, I'm telling you, if I had exhaust on this bitch, bro, that shit'd be sexy. I just don't know what the fuck to get.
You not trying to drive my shit around, Lennox?
Man, I'll whip your shit.
Go ahead.
I'll whip your shit around Lennox, man.
All right, man. We gonna get in the keys. Fuck, I'm not trying to. This shit low as fuck. A downshift is not allowed, bro. Let me downshift.
Shift not allowed. Bro, I got that shit turned the fuck off.
But
not-
this is the manual, motherfucker. You
Hey,
can't turn this up.
man, that shit turned off, nigga. We driving automatic and automatic only, nigga. This nigga trying to touch shit.
This shit boring, bro.
This nigga trying to touch shit.
They got another motherfucking Hemi thing right there, boy.
All them niggas looking like that, fool.
I don't know. Must be a little Hemi thing, bro. I don't fucking know.
He said it must be a Hemi thing. Type shit. Corvette. You know what I'm saying? And we keep circling this bit and we gonna be there. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna be there?
We're gonna be there. We're gonna be there.
Avery, you're not getting over
Like that, nigga.
We didn't go nowhere.
You happy, bro?
Am I happy? Oh, they on?
I just turned it on.
Oh,
Try it.
Oh, no, they still motherfuckers still fucking.
I guess that shit ain't just work what I did.
We in sport now. They gotta get this shit a little go now. Okay, hold on. Now this been a new song.
You know what I'm saying? Do a little something.
This bitch should do it. something.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
ain't
Do a
gonna
little
cap.
dash, y'all. This little turn right here, man.
This it?
Yeah. Or you can just take that one like this.
I look you wanna go. I can get.
Yeah. This is the way I'll be taking. This is the way I always take right over here.
Ain't never been the way.
So I just let Vontae 1K drive.
And this bitch alright though.
This nigga here.
Sing to me. You ain't ready to drive my shit, bro.
Man, I whipped your shit last night.
You ain't do shit.
Man,
You
y'all
keep
stay
that bitch
tuned.
Y'all stay tuned,
corner,
bro.
for his video. You think they parked in the right spot?
Shit, he's got. I'm the only black SRT up this bitch.
Oh yeah, they did. So what kind of car did they right there? That's an RT.
Yeah, he got an RT.
Ooh, chill, dog. Chill.
And we gonna put it right here.
Tight shit. You fuck with it, man? How you fuck with it, man? You ugly as hell.
This shit alright though.
You ugly, man.
I can't wait to get me one.
Ugly ass. Nigga, you got that shit right there. But hey, man, y'all see this shit, man. Vontae just drove this shit. You feel me? Vontae really can't even drive, y'all. Oh, he giving me the keys to his shit. Let me show y'all around his shit, man. Cause some of y'all probably ain't never seen it, you feel me?
Y'all dying for that race though.
Y'all, they want that race?
They do want that race, bro.
Man,
Before you get the vet, we gotta do.
Fuck your shit up, man.
I leave Monday. We gotta do something.
Let me show y'all his whip, bro. Alright, man, this Vontae whip right here, bro. As y'all can see, that nigga got the goddamn SRT decal. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch sexy right there, you feel me? The SRT motherfucking sexy. I can't lie. But I ain't gonna cap. Vontae, your shit ain't even pushing for real, bro.
Bro, you know that shit.
Your shit ain't even pushing for real, bro. He'll beat your shit.
None of y'all beating me, bro.
Hey, you'll beat this shit, won't it?
Hell no.
What that is?
That's a SRT, a old motherfucker, 6'1",
What year?
07.
Yeah, I beat both y'all shit.
Ooh, shit. He say
You got the Daytona though, but I mean shit. I think I still can. You know, it's Atlanta track. So shit.
no cap.
None of y'all seen me in the 40 road, bro.
I don't even know what the fuck that
You know,
means.
you know, Jayla got a charge too.
Yeah, she got charged
Y'all
too.
say y'all trying to race is what I'm hearing. You know what I'm saying? We can race.
I mean, if y'all want to lose, y'all like my tail lights.
We need to find somewhere.
Spot,
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I tinted my tail lights. Y'all gonna see him when we race though. You feel me? Y'all gonna see him. Y'all gonna see him. You know what I'm saying? I ain't playing no games. Man, I'm not driving that shit no more, man. I drove that shit. I drove that little shit, man. That shit ain't nothing.
Hey, I'm gonna let you daddy move the traction control off.
Hell nah.
Play with a real car.
Hell nah. Hell nah. You want me to wreck that bitch? That's what you want.
No.
You want me to wreck that bitch?
No.
But hey, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm probably about to drop that bit right now. Can't lie.